What's up, everybody? I'm Jason. This is Freeburg Garage, and today we are doing an installation of a LED headlight by BESURE. They were kind enough to send me this headlight. It's going on a 1997 Harley Davidson Sportster, actually 1998 to be exact. Sportster is owned by my brother. It's been on the channel here and there throughout the years, but I got it back in the garage. We got some upgrades. We're doing it. He doesn't know that we're doing this, so this is gonna be a surprise to him whether he sees this video first or if the bike gets delivered to him. Either way, so BESURE sent this to me. This is the box, came in, and it's an LED, so we're going to be upgrading it from his halogen style bulb out there, or conventional, we want to call it bulb, that we're going to move it up to. This is a 6,500 kilowatts is what the specs say on this. It's 5 3/4 headlight, so this fits all Harley Davidson pretty much throughout all the years. I know there's a year break where they switched it to just a bulb rather than the whole headlight. I believe that was in the early 1990 or 1991 when they did that, but his is old enough to where it's just a straight plug and play for this, so it should work out perfectly. Let's open this up, check it out, see what it looks like. All right. Not your standard looking halogen, or I'm sorry, LED headlight right there. Look at that. It's like that industrial style bar right across it. Definitely different. I'm pretty interested to see how it actually projects on the bike. So what we'll do first is we'll turn the bike on, get the headlights running on it so you can see what it looks like before, of course, throw it on afterwards, see what the brightness is, overall look and everything. So let's get it on the bike. All right, we're gonna start off by removing the 1 bolt for the headlight. Just the ring around here is all it takes to get it off. So we'll pull that off now. There we go. Pull back the seal here. Get us to where we need to go. All right. The old one. Backside, 3-prong, H4 is what they would call these. Let's get the new one on. Fresh new one. All right, fits good. That looks sharp. Look at that. Much better. Get this ring back on. Huge improvement for looks. Let's see what it looks like on the light. All right, so there is our before and the new light. Bam, there it is. New LED headlight looking fantastic on the bike. Brightness and overall looks definitely changed out what this bike used to have. That halogen glass was all dingy, nasty on it. We cleaned it up with this new headlight and it was easy to install. Overall, fantastic. Real pumped to get this thing on the road to see how it looks. BESURE, I appreciate you sending me this. Josh, hope you enjoy it. You haven't seen it yet, so maybe this video will be it. But as always, guys, I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you. As always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace!